Hi, my name is John Disa. I'm an investor, advisor, as well as on the board of directors of SavvyCard. My background is 30 plus years in retail, where I was a chief executive officer, chief operating officer, and chief financial officer for many large retailers, including president of global retail at Ashley Furniture, running 500 plus stores, as well as doing business in excess of $3 billion. I work for Sun Capital Partners, their portfolio companies, doing turnarounds. I also work for Foot Locker as chief operating officer, which was a $4 billion business. In addition, I started my career in the financial vernacular and moved into merchandising and marketing, so I bring a lot of consumer insights to SavvyCard through my experience. My greatest accomplishment at Ashley Furniture was the ability to really build a dynamic team. We were able to turn around the business and take it from $2 billion when I showed up in 2009 to over $3 billion, which is a 50% increase over the last 5 years. Significant growth really attributed to understanding the customer, understanding what she wanted, when she wanted it, and being able to service her and create a very positive experience as well as build our brand. SavvyCard is a great tool to really service today's customer. When you think about today's customer, they're shopping pretty much any place they want to shop, anywhere, anytime, through the advent of mobile devices and digital technology. The retail has evolved over time from originally being a single channel type of business where a customer went to stores to go through a traditional approach to finding products they wanted, examining the products. If they liked them, they bought them. Then it evolved to multi-channel, which the customer had the choice of not only brick and mortar stores, but also were able to shop on catalogs and on the web through websites. In today's world, it's evolved to omni-channel, which basically creates a seamless experience for the customer who can shop any place, anywhere, anytime through mobile devices. So today's retailer, to win, they have to be able to be in a path of purchase with the customer and shop, basically be anywhere she is, be able to service her. So when you think about SavvyCard and where SavvyCard's role is in omni-channel, SavvyCard connects people, product, institutions, services, and it's a connecting device that enables the customer. Today we've focused on real estate, was our first vertical of looking at houses as MLS listings becoming product, right? And the customer's buying MLS houses that are listed. So now you take that MLS button and you change it over to products and product catalogs. Now all of a sudden you're in a retail business and you can start doing e-commerce. So it's very exciting to think about how flexible SavvyCard is and how many verticals it can be applied to. SavvyCard can be used at pretty much any retail application. I definitely see it as a customer relationship marketing or management type tool. With customer capture, you capture the customer's information, and now you can communicate with the customer on a regular basis both ways. Like you can communicate to the customer, and the customer can communicate back to you. So with that becomes a direct marketing tool. So it moves from typical marketing of really pushing marketing to consumers to be able to have a push-pull relationship and connecting the customer any place, anytime, anywhere. Well, the cool part about SavvyCard, not only can it be set up for retail, but also the tracking metrics really enable SavvyCard to become a very advertising optimized card. The approach is basically you can understand how many hits you're getting, the metrics, who's performing, how much time they're on your site, and be able to really optimize your advertising dollar. From today in retail, from traditional retail advertising where it was focused on TV, radio, and print, and direct mail, it's moving much faster into digital. And if you're not in a digital game today, you're not going to be in business. My role at SavvyCard is to really help shape the retail strategy for use for SavvyCard. That's my primary role as an advisor. Also on the board of directors to help shape the company direction and work with David and the management team to build the strategy for the long haul to really optimize the business. In addition, I believe in SavvyCard very much, and I've invested in SavvyCard because I believe it's going to be a home run vehicle for many verticals in the marketplace. So it has a lot of legs, a lot of different uses, and it's quite exciting. And if you think about, you're not only dealing with a card that's very flexible and it can cover multiple verticals, but we're also going through ideation now to really think about multi-currency, multilingual cards so we can hit the international platform. So, long-term vision, SavvyCard is going to be a great global tool to be able to do business anywhere. Yeah, I see SavvyCard being multi-currency and multilingual so we can do business anywhere and connect customers anywhere. I've had experience where I was looking for systems to be able to handle different international operations, and the biggest stumbling block we always hit was being able to be multi-currency and multilingual. With SavvyCard, by setting it up on a front end, it's going to enable us to transact business anywhere in the globe. So it's very exciting that we're thinking through all the potential roadblocks and solving them up front as we develop the product.